Okay, so I got this yesterday. I've already started using it. As you can see, I do have stuff here hanging up. It actually washes really well. It's actually my last load that I have to wash. You use this portion to do your spin out, and then there's a little cover thing that goes down in it that you'll sit on top of the clothes, and it actually just spins it out. And majority of the clothes are actually already dry. Me, I have mine in my tub because it's easier for me to fill it up with my shower head instead of trying to hook it up to the sink or anything like that because it does not fit. The cord that comes on it does not fit, but this is still an easier way for me. It worked out great. I was able to get all my clothes washed. Like I said, this is my last load, but this is a wonderful product. So anybody that's willing to try it or need to try it because their washing machine went out or they just don't want to go to the laundromat, this is a great machine. And as you can see, you can either put it here to where you can put your actual water into it, where you can put the hose for the water. This right here is actually for the washing time. So you can set your timer on how you like. I like mine for the 15 minutes because I want my clothes to get fully clean. And then here, once it stops actually washing, I would do the drain and it would drain the water out. And once it's all drained out, then I'll go back to normal and refill the portion that has the clothes in it so I can do like a rinse. But I do add my softener in there at that time because like I said, it's not like an actual dryer. So by hanging it that way that your clothes can still be soft and things like that once you actually hang them up to dry. It took probably an hour or so for everything to dry, a lot of stuff to dry. And I think that is also because it is cold outside, so my heat is set up, to a higher temperature. But I do recommend this machine.
See how much you can drain or spin dry. Just to push this all the way in. There. Drain. Nice.
This is the wash machine I bought from Amazon. It's $139 merchandise. It's a washer and a spinner. The spinner almost gets the clothes completely dry. It's amazing. It has a timer here, 15-minute increments. And I usually do about 30 minutes each time. I put it on normal. When you have normal clothes. If I had something sheer, elegant, or whatever to wash, I'd put it on soft. And then it has a spinner timer of 5 minutes. And then it has an inlet, but I use my hose from my shower to fill it up and to rinse. So that's what I use here, is this. It drains after I put it on drain, and the water just disappears from the, and then I just leave it in here for a few minutes, the clothes, just to and set it for another 15 minutes. Let it wash. This is a great ideal product for a apartment living and definitely RV. If I had an RV, I'd definitely bring it. I might even bring it camping. It's such a great thing, and it's very light. I recommend this 100%.
So yeah, I just fill it up with my shower head hose, and I'll just use hot water, and then it's got some pretty good spin power. And then the spin cycle, I just got just a pair of underwear. This is going to show you the space. It's pretty big. Yeah, it does its job. You got the drain pipe down there, and then your water inlets if you're using the cord it come with, but we're not. This is the only thing it come with. Something like that, and then a drain like this. That's it.
Shower thing, and this is the spinner. I just got into the spinner. Is so good. This is so beautiful, and it works like magic. This is where you connect, I think, on the water, but I just use my shower head, and it works perfect. 15 minutes, it will be done.
this is the washer that I purchased, and it was working fine for a little over about 2.5, 3 months. Yeah, I got it July 24th, and now it just clicks. No agitation, no spinning, no nothing. It's a waste of $159.
So, kind of a nightmare for somebody with ADHD to try to fill this up and walk away. But instead of using the inlet, I'm using my shower head because we need to make sure that we have a good height on the shelf. Works perfectly. And it takes pretty much exactly 3.5 minutes to fill it to the M line, which is very important to note because I didn't realize that was there at first. That's the H line. You know.
Every time I put this back, I'm not sure if it needs to be, was this like glued on? I'm not quite sure what's going on with this, but it was working fine, and then this just came out. Please help me.
It's not going, and there's nothing blocking it. It's not going. It's not going either. It's not.
This is the portable washer for RVs. It is on the rinse cycle now. It works amazing.